Hi, it's Rose Parker here. I'm just working on one of my dog portraits here, and I thought I'd show you how to draw an eye. So basically you have all the colours that you might be able to see in the eye, and I use my iPad and I enlarge the eye as big as I can get it to go. And in there you will see that there is some blue, very slight touch of blue, maybe red, maybe even yellow. You perhaps can't see it from this screen. So I would start by choosing a dark to define the eye, and I use a knife to sharpen my pencils, and it helps because this little bit of wood here, this flange of wood, helps to support the pencil so it doesn't actually break. So we've got the dark bit round there, but also on the edge of that white bit and there's some dark that goes into this fur. Darkest bit here is just underneath this overhang for the eyelid. And you can see I've marked out where the highlight is on the eye. So the bit nearest to the highlight is the darkest bit. So you want that contrast helps to make the highlight really shine. Went for a slightly more grey, still quite dark, but it's not the black. Right in the middle some blue. And all the time you're doing this, you have to remember that it is actually a sphere. So it has the shading. Of course, this is hair on the outside. Slightly different technique, so you kind of flick away. Sorry. Right, so I need some grey. Underneath this bit here. And of course it's not just a simple grey, it's actually got other colours in there. And then the main part of the eye. That's also here. I might use a really little stubby blender to blend like the spokes of a wheel on the eye. With a use of like a flicking motion. Right, so we've got some, this is actually a bit dark here. You've got some white bits left. So one is the white of the eye, but around the white of the eye, it's just a little bit of kind of blue, and then there's a little bit of blue there. And then the white of the eye actually isn't white at all, it's kind of a grey. And the white again, you're going to go back and look, check that the dark is really the darkest that you can make it. And that is how I draw an eye.